What's up, skaters? Welcome back to another episode of Skate Park Walkthroughs with Lando. And today we are at the Schwarz Pond Park in Rosemount, Minnesota. This skate park was designed by Pillar Design Studios and built by California skate parks and custom builders in the year 2020. The approximate cost of this build was $330,000. According to the City of Rosemount's website, local youth input was top priority during the design process for the Rosemount Skate Park. After several public design workshops and sketch sessions with local users, the final design is a street-influenced skate park with transitional features and a separate bowl. The symmetrical design includes two main areas. Upon entering the park, you have a quarter pipe hips on both sides and a large vert wall that blends into a multi-level fun box. On one side of the street zone, there is a ledge, flat bar, and manual pad, while the opposite side has a fun box with rail and hubba ledge. No matter your style of skating, beginner or advanced, this park has a little something for everyone while offering the opportunity to grow and progress. These are my favorite obstacles at the park: the small manual pad box, flat bar rail, and this ledge. These are a couple new amenities that were not here the last time I visited. A nice gazebo or awning, shelter area, whatever you want to call it. I do like the landscaping they've done off to the sides with the stones, bushes, and mulch. This is the interesting fun box setup I was talking about earlier, and honestly, I don't think it's that fun looking. There's very little flat top, so it just kind of forces you to gap to grind the rail or gap to grind the hubba. And overall, I just don't think it's a very good setup. I'm going to go ahead and call my friend Cameron and see what he has to say about the skate park. Yo, what up?
Not much. Just hanging out.
What's your least favorite obstacle at Rosemount Skate Park?
Oof. Probably the gigantic quarter pipe to nowhere.
The big one in the middle?
Yep.
What is your most favorite obstacle at Rosemount Park?
The bowl.
Let's work our way over to what some would say is the best feature of the skate park. This is quoted from City of Rosemount's website. The second area of the skate park is a raised clover bowl. This unique three-pocket bowl was designed to play off the city's logo, a shamrock. It has 3 levels, a 4-foot shallow end, 6-foot mid-pocket, and a 7-foot deep end. The deep end of this bowl does have pool coping, which is slightly beat up, but still probably grinds. And it also has real tile, which is nice. This is a feature that you don't commonly see in Twin Cities skate parks. Once again, thanks for checking out my skate park walkthrough videos. Make sure you hit the like button, leave a little comment or a suggestion, and we'll see you next time. Peace, yo.